Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get refund from Adidas. So I'm showing you over my mobile application, but it's very easy. It's exactly same over the if you're opening it over the PC or laptop, right? So you can just visit Google Chrome or any other browser and you can just go to the Adidas website, right? So for example, if you want to refund, you can just have to go to your order list, right? So you can just click on the profile icon, which is on the top right side corner. Then this is basically order list, right? So once you click here, it will show you all your orders that you have placed, right? And all the orders you have used. I mean, the orders which you have got it, right? So, and yeah, of course, there is a disclaimer buying before, there is a disclaimer for every product before buying it, right? So some of the products are non-refundable and some of the products are refundable. So make sure that you just read it, and all the products are refundable only for the starting 30 days, right? So make sure you just apply it before the product it's through the 30 days, right? So make sure that, so for example, let's say that I have bought a product, let's say I'll check this, right? I'll just go to my cart and I will select this product, right? So for example, I have bought this product, then you can just go to the details here and you can see that whether this product is refundable or not. Here you can see return and exchange are available and for only for the 14 days, right? So I can just only do it. So once you go to here, right, and choose your product, so basically let me show you, go to the order list, choose your product and just click over there and you will get this option of refund, right? And once you click on the refund, yeah, they will ask the reason that why you want to do the refund. So make sure you just put the appropriate reason there, and after that your product will get refund and one delivery guy will come at your location and they will pick up the product, right? And of course they will ask for some more details and they will take the product very easily. So this is pretty easy. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to subscribe channel.